What's up, guys? It's your boy James MEX, and today I'm going to be showing you my pit bike runs. If you don't believe it, because it does. Let's get into the video. Yeah, I can't sit up too good. Alright, so this is going to be the best you can get, really, which is kind of nothing, but whatever. You're still going to get to see it run, and that it does run. Guys, I'm gonna end the video here. So, yeah, wait, let me do something real quick. Get my glove off. Alright, guys, I'm out. It's your boy James MEX, and he is out.